Hi everyone, I'm Darren. I'm working for the Keewin display company. Our company is professional doing the LCD product by providing different solutions. Well, as you can see right now in front of me, this is the heat exchange kiosk outdoor. It's a 75-inch double side, and we use the most advanced technology like the heat exchange to cooling the screen, so which can allow the screen to survive in outdoor environments around the world, start from the minus 40 to 50 degree. And the most important things, such product can be designed as highly customized. It can be added a camera, an NFC, an ultrasonic sensor, whatever the clients need, we can satisfy their requirement. And for more information, please visit our website, www.keywindisplay.com. Thank you.